Hey everyone, today we are making a foolproof salted caramel sauce. You can put this on virtually everything, like ice cream, in cakes, or even by the spoonful. You want to start off by pouring your sugar into a large saucepan. Then, transfer it to a stove where it will be placed over medium heat. Now the hardest part, waiting. You can move the pan every couple of minutes, but do not stir constantly. Eventually, you will see the sugar forming into clumps, and this means you're doing it right. It will start to melt on its own. This should take around 20 to 30 minutes. Once it is fully melted, has turned an amber color, and has no more lumps, you can remove the pan from the stove. You do not want to burn the caramel. As soon as you take it off of heat, incorporate your butter with the sugar. It will begin to bubble violently, but that's okay. That's what it should be doing. Just keep whisking until it is combined. Add your cream and continue whisking until completely incorporated. Finally, add salt and give it a final mix. Transfer the caramel into an airtight container and allow to cool completely before enjoying.